How to replace the triple care air purifier filters. Is your air purifier's filter in need of replacing? Sure signs your filter needs replacing are: the air inside your home is not clean, the air purifier's fan is making noise, or a strange smell is emanating from the air outlet. Here's how to replace the anti-allergic filter. Start by opening the air purifier's front cover to reveal the interior filter case. Then remove the dust collector, located at the bottom. Remove the filter case from the unit by pulling it out from the top handle. Open the filter case by pulling the top handle cover up. Then pull the top handle and remove the filter case cover. Remove the pre-purchased filter from its bag. Then place the new filters on the anti-allergic filters, securing them under the filter clips. Securely place the filter case cover back on the filter case. Finally, securely place the filter case back inside the air purifier and close the front cover door. Don't forget to lock the dust collector back in place as well.